Hey yo, so what is up everybody? Welcome back to another trading investing video. So yeah, today we made some money. So I've been investing in quite a lot of items, but before we get into that, oh yeah, invest in this. Okay, let's do it. It's good, I think. So before we do that, we need to oh yeah, vote for your games if you haven't already because it gives you trading cards. We are going to do our daily quest because reasons. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's right here. So do your daily quest first, and then we can talk about. Do it with me. So good items to be investing in. So lately, I have been actually gambling on this site called CS:GO Hunt, and I gotta say, I made some profit. I had my losses. It's a weird journey. So essentially, I was like positive $50 in profit. Actually, no, like 80, and then I lost it all and I was like negative and I went back to positive and now I'm like positive $15 in winnings and I don't know what to do. So gambling is definitely not a long-term way to make money as like you get lucky, but you have to stop because if you don't you will eventually lose it and then you will get it back. But since it is coin flip and there's no actual skill to it, you will essentially always be right in the middle. And if you're either positive or negative, it means that you are just unlucky and you should stop if you're positive. Because if you keep going, you're going to get negative. Just like how if you lose money and you keep going, you will always get back to positive. It's almost like a ratio in the middle, but you have to be very unlucky to either, or very lucky or very unlucky. Both ways. You can say it like lucky or unlucky to either stay positive or stay negative, whichever one is bad, which is obviously a negative one. But yeah, gambling in coin flip mode is not really a skill per se, more luck. There is a way you can predict whether it's gonna land on the positive side or a negative side, but that is a story for another day because that is very unreliable, and some say it's just a gimmick or a trick. And if you try to do that, you will have to be paying attention to many of the things, such as what other people do, how they bet, your own bets, and etc. Right? And you have to start with a large balance, like of $100. So when you lose, you don't just lose everything and you can't go anymore. Because let's say you start going negatively, you have to have enough backup money to gamble and gamble, potentially lose even more, but eventually you will start winning and getting it back. This is the hard part, right? And also you have to make sure your mental stability isn't strong enough so you don't go overboard and gamble way too much. So now we're done the daily quest. So that's the thing. And it's very hard. And if you're gonna do that, might as well spend your time doing something else that can actually make you legitimate money. So yeah. Such as investing per se. So this is gonna be a relatively short video because I'm about to make another video after this. But essentially what you want to invest in right now is the immortals from past times, anything 2016 and before. Okay, so invest in this Slark immortal because this immortal went really low for some reason and it went back up. Now it's gonna dip. Either invest in this immortal now or wait until it goes even lower to invest in this, because Slark is always a good hero. Never invest in Arcanas because that's BS. You don't get money. Ogre Magi, it's okay, I guess. You know what? I think anti-mage immortals are pretty good. Not gonna lie. So anti-mage immortal, this is not a good investment. Do not invest in this. You can buy if you want to use, but that's it. What else is there? What hero is that for anyway? Ogre Magi, right. This is a good investment, I believe. Despite what the graph might tell you, this is gonna drop a little bit more, but once it starts dropping more, you should invest. Because I mean, Ogre Magi just got their Arcana release, so maybe that's bad, but not sure about that one. Invest in Vipers. Viper's low immortal, definitely. Viper's immortal is gonna go up in price because Viper only has like one, and this one's pretty good. So you should invest in it. Is this Viper? Yeah, these are the wings. Yeah, invest in these. Yeah, these are pretty good. I mean, no one's selling them, which is weird because this is like one of the few wings you can actually get for Viper, but like no one's actually selling these. So if you buy this out, I think you're good. I mean, yeah, because no one's like if you just buy this out, right? All there is on the market is this guy selling for 200. You can sell it for like $50. And this is weird. This is very interesting to say the least. Not too sure about that. And no one's selling this. No, people are selling this. Never mind. Should you invest in this? No, not right now. What else is there? Bashers. Nope. I think I checked that before. I think Spectre Immortals is pretty good. This one's definitely an invest, I think. Yeah, this one's definitely invest. This is pretty good. This is one of the few Spectre Immortals there are. So invest in this. This is gonna go up in price. It's still dropping. Maybe you should wait a little bit more, but yeah. Essentially invest in immortals that are old and people who want them. And yeah, that's essentially what you do. And I'm about to sell all of this, so I'm just gonna do that. Oh, wait a minute. I should probably not sell this like this, right? And it doesn't matter. Probably should have sold it for like 5 cents instead, to be honest. But it's whatever. It's fucking 1 cent. I don't care. Then again, this is like literally 1/4 of the entire price of this item. So if I don't sell it at a proper price, then I literally like lose 1/4 of my profit, which is kind of sad even while I'm doing it. But it's free money, so it's whatever. So I'm just gonna mobile confirm it real quick, and we are going to be playing another game. If you guys have any questions or like just leave it in the comments, and I usually try to respond via the comments. But I think what I'm gonna do is actually just like make a video dedicated to answering those questions. So just leave all the questions you want in the comment section. I'm not gonna reply to them, but I will read them and I will make a separate video answering all of the questions I have, and just essentially answering any question that anyone may have. And yeah, it's gonna be great. And put it into all one video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a nice day. Bye bye.